Alright children, my name is Mrs. Patel, and even though you're all incompetent morons, I'm still obliged to teach you snot-nosed brats something. Now, when f of x has a limit, that means that it's taking the instantaneous rate of change at f at point h. Now, when it does not have a limit, like so, it is taking the change from x to x plus h, which means that with a limit, it is the instantaneous rate of change at f at point x. Whoa.
Okay, that's enough. You don't have any idea what you're talking about. Mrs. Patel, get out of here. Shoo. Okay, here's the real way to get a difference quotient. For the first term, you plug in x plus h into every single term of the original function where you see x. For this function, you end up with something like this. This is after you've already done everything involved here. For the second term, you just merely plug in the original function. After that, you distribute the negative and end up with this after you combine like terms also as well. Next step is we take out, since all three terms have an h, we can take out that h and cancel it with the bottom. And you end up with this drawing function.
Alright, Autumn, now put up your problem.
I'm going to do this. I think I have it wrong.
Write faster.
Oh my gosh, I'm getting it, okay? Right now, I'm just plugging in the x plus h as my h's.
Make sure to show all work, Miss Bram.
I am! Oh my gosh, you're so sassy, Miss Patel.
Explain what you're doing.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I foiled this term here, and now I'm going through and combining like terms. Now I'm going through and distributing my 2. Now I'm putting the whole gosh darn thing together, so keep your pants on.
Careful, Miss Bram. Keep the petulance out of your voice.
I'm doing what you told me. I'll get you fired if you keep sassing me. Now I plugged everything into the difference quotient. Now I'm going to go through once I write everything down. After I distributed my negative, then I'm going to cancel term. This and this. So I'm left with 4xh plus 2h plus 2h all over h. And since they all have an h in common, I can pull out an h. And then it cancels. So my final answer is 4x plus 2h plus 2. Is that good enough, Miss Patel?
One last thing to note is that in this step of difference quotient, anything with only an x in the second term should always cancel out so that your h in the bottom cannot cancel. And remember, kids, it's unsafe to drink and drive.